आयतारा राती कडेन सांकवाळे जुवारीनगर MES कॉलेजी लागसार आशिल्ल्या बंगल्यांत चोरयेचो यत्न जालो. शॉकात गजाल म्हटल्यार चोरांक धरपाक आयिल्ल्या पुलिसांचेर चोरांनी फारपेट केलो. हे घडणुकेन सांकवाळे सयत आख्खें गोंय हालोवन सोडलें. चोरांक पुलिसांचेर गुळयो मारतनाच पळोवपाचें उरलेलें, तेंवूय पळोवपाक मेळ्ळें. पळयात हिरू महालेचो एक्सक्लुझिव्ह रिपोर्ट. गोंयांत आतां चोरांनी पुलिसांचेर गुळीबार करपाच्यो भयानक घडणुको घडपाक लागल्यात. लोकांनी स्वताची जतनाय स्वताच घेवची. खास करून ज्या घरांनी कोण रावना त्या घरा भायर CCTV कॅमेरे लावचे असो सल्लो मुरगांवचो DYSP सलीम शेखान दिला. आयकात.
आता आम्ही अपील करता लोकांक की जे कोण आपापले घर इंडिपेंडंट घर आसा आनी कोण रावना तेंच्यांनी आपल्या घरांनी फुडें सगळे CCTV लावपाचे. ती आतां खूब एक चीप आसा, सिस्टम चीप आसा आनी लावन सगळें दवरले सगळ्यांक आमकां बरें पडटलें. तुमचेंय बरें पडटलें. तुमी एनी टायम समज घराचे भायर गेला तुमच्या घराची नजर दवरूंक मेळटलें आनी एट द सेम टायम पुलिसांक हेल्प जातली.
7 म्हाका कॉल येयलो इमिजिएटली फ्रॉम द पुलीस स्टेशन की अशें जालां म्हणून. सो हांवें म्हटलें म्हाका नंबर दी, कॉलरचो नंबर दी. आय टूक द कॉलर्स नंबर आनी आय कॉन्टॅक्टेड हिम आनी आय आस्क्ड हिम फॉर लोकेशन, स्पॉट लोकेशन, बिकॉज दिस डजंट कम इनटू आवर पुलीस स्टेशन एरिया.
MES पडना तुमकां?
MES पडना, बट स्टील सिन्स दे theft the robbers were over here, and we can catch them red-handed. So I thought of keeping in coordination with, so I asked him the location and then I moved over here. And while moving, I contacted Daigo sir also. So and so information is received. You also deploy your staff over here. So but before they reached, I was already here, and I alerted from the robot vehicle. I was patrolling a robot vehicle, Moscow City, my jurisdiction. I told my IC, robot IC, and myself got out from the vehicle, and I told the driver to stay back there only. So in case somebody runs, he can observe them. And then we hidingly started walking towards here. I think so there were 3 persons, and among them one was observing from outside. So when he got to know that we are coming towards, he alerted those guys, and they started moving. When I reached near the gate, they started moving, and they ran behind, and then they escaped from this gate, main gate.
Okay.
And by the time I was inside, they started their bike, and when they came here, the third person was still behind somewhere.
Behind.
So my PC, who was there with me, the IC robot, he was behind him. So he was hiding over there because it was dark, so we couldn't find him. And then by the time when they were calling him also, the third person to come out. At that time they fired one round.
On you?
On me, but it crossed out from the head. And when that person they left from here, my home guard, they again fired one more round over there when he was trying to stop them.
Okay.
And then I called him over here, and they tried to chase them. I also alerted Daigo sir. I told him that we have to put Nakabandi at Portalim and somewhere at Birla Junction, so that we can restrict the movements out there.
यश हे कोणाचे घर?
ही एक्चुअली माझी आत्या लागता. ती भायर आसता, UK आसता, इंग्लंडाक आसता. सो ही आता आमची सेकंड अटेम्प्ट फॉर रॉबरी. ह्या फावटी जाल्यार ती लायक इट वॉज व्हेरी हॅक्टीक, म्हणल्यार शूट आउट जाले, फायरींग जाले. आनी हेज्या पयलीं एक 3 वर्सां पयलीं अटेम्प्ट जाल्लो. अटेम्प्ट जावंक ना एक्चुअली. तेन्ना ग्रिल्स ओपन करून चोर भितर गेल्ले, रॉबरर्स भितर गेल्ले, वयले वॉर्ड्रॉप बी ओपन केल्ले, पण लकीली तांकां कांय मेळूंक ना. सो तेन्नाय आमी पुलीस कंप्लेंट केल्ली, पण कांय म्हणजे तेन्ना तितलें सिवियर कांय जावंक नासलें. आनी कॅरटेकर जा तेंचे सर्वंट्स क्वॉर्टर्स तेंच्यांनी लॉक करून दवरलेले भितर. मागीर तेंचे नेबर्स येवन तेंकां ओपन करून भायर काडला. पण ह्या फावटी जे जालें इट वॉज लायक व्हेरी शॉकिंग आनी डेंजर आनी लायफ थ्रेटनींग फॉर एवरीबडी. सो मातशें कितें तरी एक्शन जावपाक जाय.
गोवा 365 खातीर हिरू महाले, श्वेता गांवकर आनी मनीषा जाधव.